Hi everybody, we are in Wekk3 discussion in our English to trendy. We are reading book 1 Lucretius on the nature of things, page 27 to 64. My overall impression about the reading is that this chapter of the book is really interesting to read. The author had first introduced to readers about Venus, the creative power of nature, and an appeal to memories with all beautiful things. Then the spiritual life making people have a fear that they are going to be endlessly tormented after death. I think he would be a very smart philosopher as well as a scientist who brought the concept that nothing is made of nothing, that all are formed from fixed seeds. He would be able to give proof of no visible thing suffers from decay or destruction. But nature renew one thing from another, or once lost is another's gain. I think it was not easy to explore nature with how matter exists in the form of invisible particles, or how void is present in the universe. In his current society, when technology is not developed, when there is no internet or cell phone to look up for the information. My big takeaway is that reading the poem often make it difficult for me to understand because I rarely read poem. I think I have more difficult time than others to understand the language used in poem because English is my second language. And especially the language used in this poem was written from one who lived in more than 2,000 years ago. I have to focus on the description on the size of the reading as main point to explore more details in the paragraphs, and I have to stop to read many times to look up the meaning of some words in dictionary. However, I feel like this helped me to gain more knowledge of how beautiful literature was used in poem or used to describe the existence of nature around us. Thank you and good luck to everybody. Bye.